Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the unexpected kernel mode trap you are experiencing on your Windows 10 device. So this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving this without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and just jump right into it. And what we're going to do is start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. Select the control panel. That's the result. Should come back with control panel. Go ahead and left click on that. Select the view by up in the top right corner and select category view. And now you want to go ahead and select system and security. So again, just go ahead and left click on that. Shouldn't be too hard. And now you want to go select the system option. Left click on that. And select advanced system settings on the left side. Now you want to select underneath startup and recovery, system startup, system failure, and debugging information. Select the settings button. Where it says write debugging information, click inside this drop down here, and you want to go ahead and select where it says small memory dump. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and select OK. Select OK again, close it here, restart your computer, and that should resolve that error. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.